Enniskillen. And the bus boys are ready.
And willing.
And willing.
And able.
And able, yes, oh yes. Heading up towards the bus station to get the first bus on this epic trip. There it is, the wheels in the bus that are going to take us to Omagh. Bus number 94. On we get. So, first leg of the journey over, we've made it to Omagh, and we've got an hour to spend in Omagh, so we're going to go across the bridge here and we're going to have a coffee. The water level is very, very high, flowing very fast. That's almost about to overflow the banks, isn't it?
It is.
Quite a big heron sitting there. Storm Kieran, isn't that what it's called?
Tonight.
Oh, that's tonight. It was Storm Babette was the last one, wasn't it? Right, Roy. Roy's now going to take me to his favourite coffee shop in Omagh. He hopes it's open. If not, we're back at Bob and Bert's. We're actually heading down to where the Omagh bomb
That's right.
was, which was just down here. There's some more of the river. It's like two rivers into one. Hopefully that doesn't overflow, because if it overflows, those houses will be flooded. There's the bus station over here. We're heading towards the Peace Garden, which is a memorial for the people that were killed in the Omagh bombing. This is the Memorial Gardens. Yeah. It's really nicely done. And obviously on Memorial Day there'll be a service in here, I suspect. To honour and remember 31 people murdered and hundreds injured from 3 nations by a dissident Republican terrorist car bomb. And then there's various other comments recording what happened along here. We have arrived. Okay, here's the front of the Guildhall, and here is one of the gates. It is Ship's Quay Gate, and that is what they call Guildhall Square, where there would have been a lot of the Halloween celebrations last night, but we're going to walk the wall, so we're standing on the city walls. Newmarket Street slopes up and over the wall. The street was created in the mid-19th century on the site of the Smithfield Meat Market. There you go. Okay, this is the steep part of the walls. Do you need a stick to help you up here, Roy?
It's tough going, I can tell you. My wee short fat hairy legs don't carry me that far.
Tell you.
Do you know what I find is how well built it is?
Yeah.
You know, for how many hundreds of years ago was this built?
1600s, early 1600s.
So to build this
Yeah.
without machinery.
Oh, incredible.
Amazing.
Incredible. Incredible, right? This is St. Colum's Church. So the board tells us that the church was built in 1633. Which is good. Here's what it looks like. Ooh. Okay, now we get the first view of the bog side and the Craic. church. We tried to visit this the last time, but we were working on it. It's locked. I just like the wording here. It says it's the wee church with the big welcome, and its email is weechurch@btinternet.com. That's lovely. That's what it used to look like before it was bombed. We're now at the Apprentice Boys Memorial Hall. This is quite a building. Quite a structure. Here's the details of the wall. It's the most complete circuit of historic walls of any town or city in Ireland. They stand at up to 8 metres high, measure almost 1 mile round, and were constructed between 1613 and 1618. Something which Sir Roy and I can't get our head around is how they did it, because they wouldn't have had the machinery or the capability that they have now. Site of Coward's Bastion. That leads down to Waterloo Place. And then we're back into the Guildhall Square again. And this is the Tower Museum. Quite a building. And this is Roy. Strolling along. So we're nearly round the whole way, Roy. We've seen it all. There's the kebab house. We've seen it all. And there's the bridge, Peace Bridge. That's where we're going next.
Told you.
Tell me what?
I told you we're the Derry girls.
Oh yes.
The Mural.
The Mural. This is what Roy wanted to see. This is what we really came to see.
I wanted to show Ashley.
Yeah, there you go.
There you go, Ashley.
The mural of the Derry girls. So
Oh boy.
okay, but it's called the Derry Girls.
Aye, but there's an English boy at the end of it as
Yeah.
well.
Oh, so it's the Derry Girls and an English boy.
Uh-huh.
Oh, right.
That's
Right.
it.
Hey, I explain that. It's a wee bit Irish, that.
Want a cousin or something?
Oh, he's a cousin? Ah, right. Very good. Very good. Here is the Peace Flame, just outside the Guildhall. And now we're going to go across the Peace Bridge. I think that mark just stopped for you, Roy.
We'll park the water now.
No, I don't think you've got that superpower yet. So here we have the Peace Bridge, and that's going to lead us over to the London Eye over there, the Derry Eye. The Derry Eye. We've got the Derry Girls, and now we've got the Derry Eye, and then we're going to get the train. Train's down this way on the other side. So, we've now reached Ebrington on the waterside. That's what it's called, isn't it, Roy?
Waterside, yeah.
Waterside. Why is it called the waterside, Roy? Do you know?
Because it's the side of the water.
The side of the water.
It's only a rough guess.
That's a rough guess. So you've got city side, water side.
Here on the.
Might. It might.
There
might
might
be.
be a clue on this.
No, I think I was just telling you about that piece of artillery.
Right.
No, no clue there, Roy.
Okay.
Yeah. This was an army base,
Yeah. It certainly was.
and there's a lot of naval memorabilia up here too. I do remember as a boy seeing the American Navy pitched up here.
Right. Well,
Yeah.
it has totally changed.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah, so there's museums here as well as shops, but I think there's now apartments and flats up in this area. Again, it's quite an historic area. Now, I've never been down here before, and we're going to try and walk along the side of the Foyle to the train station. So that's the next leg of our journey, going from Derry to Coleraine, and then Coleraine to Belfast. The Tour of the North. We've been on the go since 7 o'clock. Roy, that's nearly 5 hours and we're still talking. Or you're still talking? I'm still listening.
I'm still talking.
Yes.
I don't mind, I'll chat away.
Oh, it helps to pass the time, doesn't it?
As Fiona says to me, I'll chat the lamppost if it talk back to me.
Do you think, Roy, we're going in the right direction to the train station?
I was going to say that.
Yeah, do you think?
My eye has picked up that there's real tracks.
It's a clue. It's a clue.
It's a clue.
So, we've made it to the train station and there's a ground coffee shop in here, so we're going to avail of that and then we will get our train. Here comes Roy. Puffin Billy.
Choo choo.
It's not a steam train, this one. Tell ya. It's coming into land.
Is that not a plane?
Oh, that's it.
You're trying to confuse me.
He's going to take off.
There's no flies in me.
No, no. He's coming in really slow here. Here it comes. Here she comes. Here, you may put the brakes on, mate. We are off. That's very smooth so far.
Very smooth.
Or the old, what do you call the old two? There's the Titanic. So here we are at Great Victoria Street. We're now going to have to run to get the bus. We have about 5 minutes. Go that door. Is that not the nearest door? Here we are. Great Victoria Street, platform. Come on, you can do it. Young Gibson, come on, young Gibson. We're running for the bus, literally.
Will we make it or not?
I will make it. It's 15:16. We've got 4 minutes. Do we have to show our tickets here? There it is! There's the 261, it's still there! Oh gee. It's in my wallet here, sorry, 2 seconds.
Funny.
Oh look, there's a seat. Well, we ran for the bus, got on the bus, and there was no seat for us on the bus, and there goes the bus. Are we sad? Yes.
Goodbye, boss.
Oh dear. So what would you say, Roy? We have retired to the coffee shop? Is that the way it is? We've retired to the coffee
Retired
shop.
to the coffee shop. There's not much else we can do for the next hour, but wait
Yeah.
and hope.
I was a bit disappointed we got on the bus and then he threw us off the bus
And a ticket.
and had a ticket.
And a ticket.
But
Irrespective of for nothing, that doesn't matter.
well, that doesn't matter. So now we're having a little break in the coffee shop, and we're going to recollect our thoughts
Yes.
and go again.
And go again.
Right.
Build up our strength
Yeah.
with a tuna sandwich
Tuna sandwich and a coffee.
and coffee.
Yeah.
Hot coffee.
Yeah.
Hot latte.
And everything will be grand then.
And we'll look on the bright side then.
The only downside is we're going to be an hour late.
Now at home. But I have nobody to come home to.
Roy's nobody
I'm Billy No Mates on my own.
Yeah, but you've got me, Roy. Just for today, anyway.
Got you.
But I have to go back to Andrea. I'm sorry.
I have to know.
Yeah, so
And what am I going to do from this floor in Enniskillen?
I don't know.
How am I going to cope without you? I've been with you from 7 o'clock this morning.
I know. But you'll cope, Roy.
How am I going to cope?
You'll cope. I have every confidence in you, Roy.
It's going to be tough. I might lose the rest of the hair.
You might. You might. Really?
Yeah, really. Whatever there's left is going to go.
Right. For the purposes of the camera and the video, I wanted to show Andrea that we are at the top of the queue for the next bus. So here's Roy's at number 14 base. He's on his base. And I'm on number 15. We're covering every base here. Let's take two. We are on the bus.
On the front of the bus.
And we're in the front of the bus.
Double-decker bus.
Double-decker. We're at the front of the double-decker bus. So, and if you don't believe it, look, there we are. Looking down. We're back.
We're on track again.
Yeah, we are an hour behind schedule,
We're
Royal.
behind schedule.
Yeah, we had a lovely coffee there.
And tuna sandwich.
Tuna sandwich.
No,
Excellent.
tuna toasty.
Tuna toasted, yeah.
Tuna toasty. With mayonnaise.
With mayonnaise, yeah. So
Red onion.
yeah, well,
Crisps.
the details are very important.
Very.
Yeah, but we'll have to get home.
Why? I've nobody to go home to.
Well, I'm sorry about that, but Andrea's waiting on me.
Do you want to come home to me?
No.
No.
No, I've had enough for you today.
Well, it has been a long day from 7 o'clock this morning, I may add.
I know. I think we'll wind this one up, Roy, but it's great to be on the bus. Yeah, thumbs up.
Thumbs up. 2 thumbs up.
Yeah. Next time, let's pull off.
Let's go. Go on.
Cheerio.
Actually, that last hour went very quickly.
It did, I must say. I can't understand how I'm, listening to your conversation for 9.5 hours. It's not that waffle.
What are you trying to say?
I know. It's been a pleasure, Roy. It's been a pleasure. Okay, here we go.
9 hours.
Here we go. Oh, jeepers.
There's the first bridge.
Duck. Duck. My chariot awaits me. Here she comes, my knight in shining armour. There goes the bus. We're back in Lisbon, we're home. We have to give Roy a wave. He's sitting there. Oh, there he is, waving up the window. So, end of the trip. What a trip. Great trip.